Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lead Monster still here. You're watching this video because you typed into YouTube or Google AdvertSuite. So it's a product put out by Maguire, guys. And this product right here is going to be phenomenal. What it's going to be is it's going to be a tool that's going to allow you to tap into different campaigns, target a niche, tap into different campaigns, and deploy like 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, by you purchasing through my link below, the JVZoo link, I'm going to give you guys two bonuses. All right. First bonus is going to be my AZ Beast niche marketing. Now, in order to get that one, you must buy the first upsell. Okay, so the first product and the first upsell. And then the second thing I'm going to give you, just by purchasing any level of the product at all, is going to be my banner ad frenzy, which you can go to banneradfrenzy.com and see. You're going to get that training as well. All right, so click the link below, guys. Again, you'll see more videos from me about what the product's all about. But for now, I just wanted to get this video out on YouTube. And hopefully you guys are looking for something that can help you get more targeting, better understand Facebook ads, and not only that, just copy the campaigns that are already out there and then tweak the interest a little bit for your needs. See you guys on the inside. Peace.